Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today me and my son are going to be making cake pops. It is my first time making it, so hopefully it turns out okay. My son's excited about it. We're going to be using two different types of chocolate. We have milk chocolate, no, cookies and cream, and we have regular milk chocolate.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
Today's cake pop DIY was a fail. It looks bad, like real bad. It didn't come out how I expected it to look. Of course it's edible, but I mean, I can't sell this to nobody. I don't know if I put too much frost in or what, but I'm gonna look at another video and I promise you I'm gonna get this right. Y'all tell me what I did wrong. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 17 of Vlogmas. Bye.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish